Hi, good evening. Welcome everyone to Weekly Market Outlook with Jagadish Chandran. Today we'll be discussing on what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty and the key levels to watch out for the coming week. Last week we had seen the markets attempting a pullback, trading in a range between 18,800 on the downside and on the upper side 19,350 zones to close above 19,200, to be precise, to close above 19,230.96% positive for the week. Bank Nifty 2 oscillated for the week in a range between 42,200 to 43,300 to close the week at 43,300, positive 1.25% for the week. CNX IT ended the week with 0.59% positive for the week. Overall, to summarize, markets is in a pullback mode after hitting the oversold zones technically, and that is what we had witnessed now. Until and unless Nifty trades above 19,450, 480 decisively, and Bank Nifty trades above 43,600, 43,800 decisively, we are in bear's grip for now. That's all for now. Thank you. Happy investing and safe trading. Take care. If you like our analysis, and if you are watching our video for the first time, do hit the like button and do subscribe our channel for more market updates and market insights, and do share it to your friends and relatives who are looking for market updates and market insights. Thank you. Happy investing and safe trading. Take care.